In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on this search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to choose while using the app, click on Allow, and finally click on Home button. Over here go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps section. Then you need to select Choose Default Apps and tap on Home app. Oh, so sorry, that was a misclick. Now set up iOS Launcher by clicking on it and select Got It in the pop-up. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Samsung, but you can always just switch between those layouts by going into the same settings and clicking on One UI Home or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!